Faceless AI Channel Secrets. The blueprint to earning $10,000 a month, completely automated. Burned out from endless editing and slow growth. Faceless automation unlocks effortless income with nearly zero on-camera pressure. Viral content is no accident. Proven formulas identify trends, spark curiosity, and hook viewers in under 5 seconds. AI writes, voices, and edits scripts for you. Content is created hands-free, saving hours and boosting quality on autopilot. Monetization multiplies. Ad revenue, affiliate links, and digital products work together. What are faceless AI channels? This is how creators are building online empires anonymously. A faceless channel is content made without anyone on camera, letting you stay private and scalable. AI voices and animated avatars handle narration, making videos that sound professional. No need to record yourself. Creators blend stock footage, text on screen, and images to tell engaging stories, all without showing their face. Top channels focus on finance, tech, news, tutorials, and motivation, niches that thrive without personal branding. What could you create if you never had to show your face? The future is private, scalable, and yours. Niche selection and monetization. This single step can determine your project's success or failure. Choose your niche strategically. Focus on high CPM, evergreen demand, and hungry audiences for maximum monetization. Top faceless niches include finance, tech, luxury, motivation, and story time, each proven for high returns and scalability. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to generate and refine channel ideas tailored to profitable niche opportunities. Analyze CPM charts, demand graphs, and content ideas and scripting with AI. Never run out of viral video ideas again. Struggling with ideas? AI instantly sparks fresh content concepts and structures your scripts for you. Ask your favorite AI tool for a list of trending video topics customized for your niche. Let AI generate catchy video hooks that grab your audience's attention in seconds. Have a complete video script drafted for you with just one prompt. No more staring at blank pages. Automate your entire posting routine with an AI-generated content calendar tailored to your upload goals. Boost engagement by using AI to create unique calls to action for every video you post. Ready to automate your content engine? The only limit is your imagination. Generating voiceovers with AI. Create professional-sounding narration in seconds, no microphone needed. Hiring voice actors or self-recording takes time and money. AI voice generation makes it fast, easy, and affordable. Paste your script and instantly preview different voice styles. Choose male, female, or neutral to fit your brand. Add emotion with just a click. Happy, serious, or excited. Make your narration match your story's mood perfectly. Switch between languages and accents in seconds. Reach global audiences without extra recording or complicated editing. Ready to give your content a voice? Transform your scripts into natural audio and engage your audience today. Video creation without filming. You can produce stunning videos with just a script and AI. No camera needed. No camera gear? No problem. Creating high-quality videos is now possible without filming anything yourself. Start with a clear script, your story, instructions, or message, all typed out and ready to guide your video. Upload your script to Pictory or in Video AI. The tool will handle media selection for you. Watch as stock footage is auto-matched to your narration, giving your video a cinematic look instantly. Need a unique visual? Use DALL-E 3 to generate custom images directly from your text prompts. Add impactful titles and graphics in Canva. Just drag, drop, and adjust as needed for clarity. Insert smooth transitions and animated text to keep viewers engaged and your message clear. Auto-generate captions, thumbnails, and branding automation. Create viral visuals in seconds, even if you've never designed before. Struggling with design delays and branding that never looks quite right? Automation transforms this chaos into quick, polished results. Type your title and instantly preview stunning thumbnail concepts. No art skills needed. AI brainstorms your first steps. Fine-tune colors and layouts with just a few taps. Watch your graphics update instantly for a professional look every time. Sit back as every asset gets a matching look. Your channel branding stays consistent, everywhere, automatically. AI-powered content optimization. Stop guessing. Let AI pinpoint the perfect time to go viral. Stuck with low views? AI optimization tools finally take the guesswork out of hitting your growth goals. AI tools suggest high-impact titles proven to boost click-through rates and help more viewers discover your content. AI analyzes trending tags for your topic, instantly generating keywords that push your video up in search results. Unlock the best time to publish. AI reviews your audience data for when viewers are most likely to engage. Ready to let data drive your success? AI optimization is your key to smarter content growth. Monetization secrets. These strategies can turn your views into real income. A creative digital channel can become a real revenue source. Strategic monetization unlocks long-term earning power. AdSense earns you money as viewers watch your content. It's passive income directly tied to your channel's growth. Affiliate marketing allows you to share relevant links and earn commissions for each sale or lead generated from your audience. Brands seek channels with engaged audiences for sponsorships. This opens new revenue streams as your influence grows. Digital products like planners, guides, and templates for sale can generate consistent income with minimal ongoing effort. AI tools help automate product delivery and customer support, freeing you to focus on creating and scaling content. Automation allows you to post consistently the $10,000 per month Faceless channel. Here's the exact AI-powered workflow behind the earnings. It began from scratch. No subscribers, no views. The challenge: build a channel that earns real income. First, content ideas are mapped and scripts drafted in batches, saving hours of brainstorming each week. Scripts are instantly brought to life with natural-sounding AI voiceover, removing the need for on-camera talent. AI tools generate video visuals tailored to each script, automating creative production and increasing efficiency. Automated editing combines scenes and synchronizes audio, while dynamic thumbnails ever wonder how faceless AI channels earn big on autopilot. The secret is a fully automated workflow. Content creation takes time and energy, unless you use an automated content engine. A smart workflow system streamlines every step, letting you create more with less effort. Full automation tools schedule, narrate, and publish, freeing up your time every day. Viral content formulas lock in massive engagement, driving your channel growth on autopilot. Ready to launch your faceless empire? What niche will you master with AI? Start today.